Hello and welcome to all. Myself Shabana Khatun and today I will be discussing about the copyright. Copyright it is a legal right of the owner of intellectual property and it is the right to copy. This means that the original creator of products or write-ups and anyone they give authorization to are the only ones with the exclusive right to reproduce the work. And Copyright Act to give many contents exclusive rights like make copies our work and distribute them and perform our work publicly and display our work publicly to make derivative works. Copyright is the exclusive right given by law for a certain terms of year to an author composer to print, publish and sell copies of his original work. And also he or she is also called the first owner of copyright, and this property right can be sold or transferred to others is known as copyright. Okay, then we will discuss the type of copyright. Then first type is copyrightable works and second is non-copyrightable work. First is copyrightable work. Copyrightable work is depends upon the literary, dramatic work, musical work and artistic work. Second is non-copyrightable work. It depends upon the fact, ideas, systems, methods of operation. And then what is Copyright Act? Copyright Act in 1957 confers copyright protection in two forms. First is economic rights and second is moral rights. In economic right to produce copies or reproduction of work and to sell those copies, to import and export the work, to creative derivative work, to display the work publicly, to sell or assign the work. And in moral rights, it divided into right of paternity and right of integrity. In right of paternity, to claim authorship of work and to prevent all other from claiming authorship his work. Second types in moral right is right of integrity, to prevent the distortion and other alteration of his work or any other action in relation to said work which would be prejudicial to his honor or reputation. Infringement of copyright. Infringement means if any person steal the another content that person doing crime, this crime are known as infringement. And two types of infringement of copyright. Counterfeit products are the copies of articles similar to the original under a different name. And second is infringement of copyright leads to a imprisonment for 6 months to 3 years and fine of rupees 50,000 to 2 lakh and seizure of infringing copies. If any person claiming to our content, infringer might have to pay a penalty and that person even end up in the jail. And then next topic is royalty. Royalty is an amount of money that is paid to the person who wrote a book and any type of music etc. in every time he or she work is sold or performed. And also royalty is the payment to an owner for the use of property, especially patents, copyrighted works, franchise or natural resources by those who wish to make use of it for the purpose of generating revenue or other desirable activities. And what is the example of royalty? Example: the book publisher makes a payment to the author which is based on number of copies sold. Such payments are known as a royalty. Then terminologies of royalties. Following types of the terminology of royalties are: first is minimum rent, the minimum amount which is paid even if the sales are lower. Then second point is short working. In short working, the excess of minimum rent over actual royalties. The next point is excess working. If refers to amount by which the actual royalty exceeds the minimum rent. Then next point is ground rent, is also known as surface rent. Fixed annual or half-yearly rent payable by the lessee to the author in addition to the minimum rent. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand this topic, but still you have any problem, you can comment below. So we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Till then, like and subscribe. Thank you.